Hello friends, today we're going to do some fried chicken in our air fryer. Let's get into it. We're going to start first by wash and clean up 4 pounds of chicken legs and thighs. So we're going to use all the dry ingredients listed on the screen to season our chicken and to make our flour mixture. For our egg wash, we're going to crack open 2 large eggs into a bowl. Then we're just going to whisk this around until we get a nice smooth mixture. Into our eggs, we're going to add 1/4 cup of coconut milk. We're just going to whisk it around. Make sure it's nice, smooth, and even throughout. Now it's time to season our chicken. So what I'm going to use is a teaspoon of minced garlic. We're just going to apply that to our chicken and put half of our seasoning that we've combined. We're just going to massage that in gently into our chicken, making sure it touches all the surfaces. During this process, you want to make sure that all our meat gets nicely coated with the seasoning. Now onto our flour mixture. So we're going to add into a large bowl 2 cups of regular flour. And now we're going to add the remaining half of our dry seasoning. We just use a fork to mix that around. And now we're going to dip each piece of our chicken into our flour mixture. Make sure it's well coated. And we dip that into our egg wash, then back into our flour mixture. Then I'm going to put it on this rack. And we're going to repeat this process for all pieces of our chicken. You also want to just make sure that the flour coats all the surfaces. Same thing with our egg wash. So you just do this. It's a little bit time consuming, but it's going to worth every second of your time, because you're going to have one of the best air fried chicken ever. After you make your chicken this way, I can assure you that you'll probably never go back and deep fry your chicken. Now this next step is very important. So we're going to spray our chicken with some olive oil while it's on the rack, and it's very important you spray it with olive oil to make sure the flour absorbs the oil and you won't have any flour on your chicken after it's finished cooked in the air fryer. So we're going to set our air fryer at 370 degrees for 40 minutes. We're going to put our chicken inside and just set it and forget it. After the first 18 minutes, I'm going to remove the chicken from the air fryer. We're going to flip the chicken around. We're going to turn them around with using a thong. Then also, if you see any white flour spots, you can just spray it down with some of the olive oil. You just turn them to the opposite side and we'll put them back in the air fryer for another 22 minutes. So this is how our chicken looks after 18 minutes in the air fryer. Looking nice and golden and very crispy. So we're just spraying some more olive oil on the spots where we have flour just to get rid of the white color. Then we're going to put them back into our air fryer for another 22 minutes. And voila, this is how final product looks. Everything nice, golden and crispy. One of the things mostly I like about frying the chicken in the air fryer is that it traps all the juice in the meat. When you bite the meat, all the juice just oozes out and it's full of so much flavor. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.